Okay, so you are looking at a homework assignment that you just did on paper. Either you printed out the assignment from the teacher or you just did it in a notebook, but you need to, quote, turn it into the teacher. How are you going to do that? The easiest thing to do is open up Google Drive on a mobile device. You can do this on a Chromebook, but it's a lot easier on a iOS or Android device. So if you have a phone, even if it's mom or dad's phone, the key thing is that you really want to put Google Drive on there and you want to sign in with your school email address. Then when you open Google Drive, you'll see a plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. And when you click that, you'll see it says scan. At that time, you can scan literally anything. So like I have this thing here, right here. Gives you a blue check mark. I'm going to click that. I can edit it, like crop it. So I can just drag these little handlebars over and make sure that the entire drawing is in, right? I could clean that up if I want. Could do a better scan, but this is pretty good. Hit done, and now I can hand that in. It's a little better than a picture for your teachers, but the best part is, and you can draw on it if you need to, you can rotate it, or you could go back if you didn't want to do anything. But when you hit save, it gives you the opportunity to rename it. So I could just say, I'm going to say cross on this one, but you could call it Math 2.4. And then you can choose where you're going to save it. So you can choose that you're going to save it in like a particular folder called homework, or you could just save it into your Google Drive. So just in my drive for right now, I'm going to hit save. And that's all you need to do. Then you go into your Google Drive and you share that with your teacher and turn it in.